Hello everyone, welcome back to your Ilmed Pages. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of brain rules by John Madena. Let's explore 10 key insights from the book that reveal how our brains really work and how we can use this knowledge to improve our lives. Point 1, exercise boosts brain power. Our first key insight from Brain Rule is that exercise boosts brain power. Did you know that a physical activity is crucial for brain health? Regular exercise improves brain functions, enhance memory, and even stimulate the growth of new brain cells. So whether you are running, cycling, or doing yoga, remember that moving your body helps keep your brain sharp and active. Point 2, the brain's evolutionary origins. Our brains are wired for survival, not for the modern world. This means many of our cognitive processes are designed to help us handle immediate threats and opportunities, a holdover from our days as hunter gatherers. Understanding these can help us leverage our brain's natural strength and compassionate for its weakness in modern life. Point 3, sleep well, think well. Quality sleep is crucial for cognitive function, memory consolidation, and overall brain health. During the sleep, your brain processes the information you have learned throughout the day and forms new connections. Prioritizing good sleep hygiene, like maintaining a regular sleep schedule and creating a restful environment, can significantly enhance your mental clarity and performance. Point 4, stress management. Chronic stress can have detrimental effects on the brain, impairing memory, reducing the size of the brain's prefrontal cortex, and increasing the risk of mental health issues like anxiety and depression. Brain Rules emphasizes the importance of managing stress through techniques such as a mindfulness, meditation, and regular physical activity. Point 5, the importance of sensory integration. Chronic stress have a detrimental effect on the brain, impairing memory, reducing the size of the brain's prefrontal cortex, and increasing the risk of mental health issues like anxiety and depression. Brain Rules emphasizes the importance of managing stress through techniques such as mindfulness, meditation, and regular physical activity. Point 6, vision trumps all our senses. Our brain are highly attuned to visual information, processing it faster and more efficiently than any other type of sensory input. This means that using visual like images, graphs, and videos can significantly enhance our understanding and retention of information. So whether you are learning something new and presenting ideas, remember to leverage the power of visuals. When the power of repetition. Repetition is essential for learning and memory. When we repeat information or practice skill over time and we strengthen the neural connection in our brains. This process known as a neuroplasticity allows us to form and retain memories more efficiently. Regular review and practice help consolidate information into long-term memory, making it easier to recall when we need. The role of music in brain function. Music is more than a just entertainment. It it impacts our brain deeply, from improving focus to enhancing emotional well-being, and understanding how music affects our brain can unlock new ways to boost productivity and creativity. Point 9, the social brain. Human brains are wired for social interaction. Building strong relationships and engaging in social activities can enhance cognitive function and emotional well-being. Point 10, the power of stories. Our brain are naturally drawn to narratives. Using storytelling techniques can make information more memorable and impactful. On Brain Rules by John Madina. If you found these insights invaluable, hit the like button and subscribe for more fascinating discoveries about the human brain. Let us know in the comments which brain rule intrigued you the most. Signing off, Maheshwari.